Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be making 5 spice powder. So let's start cooking. Now I'm going to dry fry the spices. I have with me over here 1 teaspoon of coriander seed, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 teaspoon of white peppercorn, 1 piece of star anise, and 1 cinnamon bark. Just put everything into a pan, dry pan without oil or anything. We are just going to dry roast them for approximately 3 minutes or so just to get the fragrances out. There's no hard rules to making this 5 spice powder. If you want to add in fennel seed, you can too, no problem. Some even like to add Sichuan pepper. If you want to, you can add Sichuan pepper to create a little bit of numbness. Move them around so that you don't burn these spices. You can start to smell the aroma coming out from the cloves, the star anise, and the rest of the spices. It smells really great. Once this is done, we'll grind this up. If you have a coffee grinder, great. If not, you can use your blender to do it, but make sure that you'll be very fine. We'll grind this now. So just pour all the spices in. If you can get those ready powder like cinnamon powder, star anise powder, or even coriander powder, you can just mix the powder together to create your own 5 spices. If not, you have to do something like this. In Asia, one thing we are lucky, it's easily available. All the spices are already mixed and pre-grinded, so it's very easy for us. So grind them until fine. Let's have a look. Right. If you have a coffee grinder, it will be best because it will be even finer. If not, it will look something like this. Smells fabulous. And ladies and gentlemen, this is how we make our 5 spice powder. I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.